Functions lecture 5.
Hi, hello everyone. So continuation of previous class. See here, f from z to z, f of x is equal to x square. Then f is dash. See here solution. So given f from z to z, and a function is what? F of x is equal to x square. See our domain is integers and codomain also integers. See here f of 1. So what is f of 1 value? 1 square, that is 1. And f of minus 1. So this is also 1. So means both 1 and minus 1 having same image 1. Therefore clearly f is not 1 1. Now onto functions. So for onto function we have to observe the codomain. So the here codomain is integers. But here f of x is what? X square. So you know that x square is always positive for all x belongs to z. So means range is what? Range is closed interval 0 to infinity. And here codomain is z. So clearly codomain is not is equal to range. Therefore f is not onto. See here f is not 1 1, f is not onto. So from this we can say that f is not bijection. See here fourth option. Next question. Question number 2 solution. Let g of x be any function and that function defined on the interval minus 1 comma 1 and area of the triangle. So which triangle it is? Equilateral triangle. So given with two of its vertices are given, that is 0 comma 0 and x comma g of x. So E is root 3 by 4. So here given A is equal to 0 comma 0 and B is equal to x comma g of x. So these are the two vertices of equilateral triangle. So suppose this is the equilateral triangle ABC. Now here given area is root 3 by 4. So area of this triangle is root 3 by 4. Now you want to find g of x. Okay. So you know that AB is the length of the side AB. So that is denoted by A. So how to write A? Square root of distance between these two. X minus 0 whole square, that is x square, plus 0 minus g of x whole square, that is g of x whole square. So from this g of x whole square, write as a square minus x square. Again g of x write as plus or minus under root of a square minus x square. Okay. Now area of the equilateral triangle is what? Root 3 by 4. Okay. So you know that area is area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. So that is root 3 by 4 is equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. So that is a square is equal to how much? 1. Now substitute a square value in this equation. So you get g of x is equal to plus or minus under root of 1 minus x square. Okay. See here, what are the g of x values? So your g of x is equal to One is under root of 1 minus x square and minus square root of 1 minus x square. So here, for example, x is equals to 1 by 2. Substitute here, what you get? G of 1 by 2 is plus or minus square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 3 by 4. So for 1 by 2, you will get two images. One is root 3 by 4, another one is minus root 3 by 4. So in this case, this is not a function, because every element in A have unique image in B. But here two images. So clearly, if g of x is equal to plus or minus root of 1 minus x square, in that case, the given g of x is not a function. Okay. So therefore, g of x is equal to under root of 1 minus x square, or g of x is equal to minus under root of 1 minus x square. So any one value is possible. See the next question. Here both a and b are closed interval minus 1 to 1. So then which of the following functions from a to b? That means f from a to b. Okay. Is 1 1 and 1 2. See here, what are the given functions here? Options. F of x equal to x by 2. G of x equal to mod x. H of x equal to x square and k of x equal to sin pi x by 2. See here. Solution. See the first function. F of x is equal to what? X by 2. And here f from a to b. So that is a is equal to b is equal to closed interval minus 1 to 1. See here x values are minus 1 to 1. That are domain values, and codomain values also same. Now substitute the x values here. So draw the graph of y is equal to x by 2. Minus 1. Now y is equal to what? X by 2. So y is equal to x by 2 line is parallel to x axis. So given line is like this. Now draw the horizontal lines on this line. So clearly, so this horizontal line touches the given graph more than one point. So in this case, f of x is not 1 1. Now for onto you have to observe the codomain. So here what are the codomain elements? Minus 1 to 1. So means you have to draw the horizontal lines below this and above this. But this lines does not touches the given graph. Therefore in this case, f of x is not onto also. And second one, g of x is equal to mod x. G of x is equal to mod x. So draw the graph of mod x. So this is the graph of mod x. See here, this is minus 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is minus 1. Now draw the horizontal lines. This horizontal line touches the given graph more than one point. Therefore, f of x is not 1 1. Now for onto, you have to observe the codomain and draw the horizontal line in codomain. See here. So draw the horizontal line below the x-axis. So below the x-axis. But that horizontal line does not touches the given graph. Therefore, in this case, not onto also. Now, third one. H of x is equal to x square. Okay. Now draw the graph of x square. X-axis, y-axis, here -1, here 1, here 0. At x is equal to 0, 0. At x is equal to -1, what you get? +1. At x is equal to 1 also +1. So this is the graph of y is equal to x square. So here also draw the horizontal lines. That horizontal line touches the given graph at more than one point. In this case, f of x is not 1, 1. And draw the horizontal lines below x-axis. But this line does not touches the given graph. Therefore, f is not 1, 1 and 2. Now see the last one. Sin pi x by 2. So f of x is equal to sin pi x by 2. So now draw the graph of sin pi x by 2. Here -1, here 1, here 1, -1. Now first at x is equal to 0. So what do you get? Sin 0, 0. At x is equal to 1, sin 90, 1 only now. At x is equal to -1, sin of -90, -1. So this is the graph of sin x. Now draw the horizontal lines. So each and every horizontal lines touches the given graph at a single point. Therefore it is 1, 1. And for onto, you have to observe the codomain. So means you have to draw the horizontal lines between -1 and 1. So in that interval, every horizontal line touches the given graph at least 1 point. See here, each and every horizontal line touches the given graph at a single point. So in this case, f is on 2 also. Therefore, sin pi x by 2 is both 1, 1 and on 2. So see the next question. F of x is equal to e power 2ax. So given f of x is equal to e power 2ax and f from R to C. Then f is what? Okay. See here, domain is R and codomain is C, means complex numbers. Okay. So complex numbers in the form of a plus bi. Now f of x. So how to write this one? So you know that e power ix write as cos x plus I sin x. So this is the formula for e power ix. But in place of x, 2x is there. So replace x by 2x. That is cos 2x plus I sin 2x. So what is f of 0 value here? See here, x values are domain that are real numbers. So that's why I am putting 0. Now this is cos 0, 1, sin 0, 0, 1. So you get f of 0 value 1. And find f of 2 pi. Cos 2 pi. So cos 2 pi value is 1, sin 2 pi value is 0. So clearly both 0 and 2 pi having same image. Therefore clearly f is not 1, 1. Okay. Now e power x. You know that e power x values are always positive. Okay. So because of e value is 2.71 something. So 2.71 whole to the power of x is greater than 0 for all x belongs to real or complex anything. But here codomain is what? Complex numbers. But here outcome is what? Positive values. So means range is close 0, infinity. Therefore range is not is equals to codomain. Therefore, f is not onto. Okay. So clearly neither 1 nor onto. Fourth option. See our next question. F from positive values to positive values. Defined by f of x is 2 power x. Here x belongs to open interval 0, 1. And 5 power x, x belongs to close interval 1 to infinity. Then f is what? See our solution. So f from 0 to infinity to 0 to infinity. Okay. And f of x is equals to what? 2 power x. Here x belongs to open interval 0, 1. So in that interval, the given function is 2 power x. And if x belongs to closed interval 1 to infinity, in that case, f of x is 5 power x. So here, first function is 2 power x. If x lies in the interval 0 to 1. So means x lies in the interval 0 to 1. So in that case, graph is, see here, if x is equal to 1 by 2. So f of 1 by 2 is 2 power 1 by 2. That is 1.414. So at x is equal to 1 by 2, 1.414. For example, at x is equal to 0, value is 1 only enough. But here, 0 is not included. So here, like this. At x is equal to 1, value is 2. So this is the graph of f of x is equal to 2 power x. Now draw the graph of f of x is equal to 5 power x that lies in the interval 1 to infinity. If x is equal to 1, so what is the y value? 5 power 1 is 5. At x is equal to 1, value is 5. At x is equal to 2, 25. So like this graph is. Now draw the horizontal lines. This horizontal line touches the given graph at 1 point. Therefore, f is 1, 1. Now what is the codomain here? Codomain is positive values. So means y values. So now draw the horizontal line between these two graphs. But this lines does not touches the given graph. So in that case, f is not onto. Therefore, your function is 1, 1 but not onto. So next problem. So here given a into f of x plus b into f of 1 by x is equal to 1 by x minus 5. So from this you want to find f of x value. See here, so for that replace x by 1 by x. See here, replace x by 1 by x. Now this becomes a f of 1 by x plus b f of x is equal to x minus 5. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So solving these two, you want to find f of x. So how to solve these two equations? So in this we have to remove f of 1 by x function. So how to remove? See here, for that multiplying equation 1 with a. So a into 1 equation 1. Now minus multiplying second equation with b. So b into equation 2. So what is that? A square f of x plus ab f of 1 by x is equal to a by x minus 5a. This is the first equation, that is equation 3. Now equation 2 implies 2 into what? B. So that is b square f of x plus ab f of 1 by x plus bx minus 5. This is equation 4. Now subtracting these two. So that is a square minus b square of f of x. These two are get cancelled. Now this is a by x minus b by bx. Next minus 5a plus 5b. And you want to find f of 2 value. So put x is equals to 2. So what you get? A square minus b square of f of 2 is equals to a by 2 minus 2b minus 5a plus 5b. Now this is f of 2 value is what? This is a by 2 minus 5a. A minus 10a by 2, that is minus 9a by 2, and 5b minus 2b, that is 3b. So divide by a square minus b square. Now this can be written as f of 2 is equal to 6b minus 9a. So divide by 2 times of a square minus b square. So again this is right as f of 2 3 by 2 into 2b minus 3a by a square minus b square. This is f of 2 value. So what is the correct answer? Option 2. So see our next problem. So given f of x is 64x cube plus 1 by x cube and a comma b are the roots of this equation, then which condition is satisfied? So see the seventh solution. F of x is equal to 64x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay. Now how to write this function? This is in the form of a cube plus b cube. So write as a plus b whole cube, that is 4x plus 1 by x whole cube minus 3ab, that is 4x into 1 by x into a plus b. So what is 4x plus 1 by x value? 3 only, no? So that is 3 cube 27 minus x is get cancelled, 3 4 ja 12, and 4x plus 1 by x value is 3. So write here into 3. So 27 minus 36, you get minus 9. So which value that is? F of x. So clearly this is constant value. If you put any value of x, then outcome is not change because of it is constant. Therefore f of a is equal to minus 9, f of b is equal to minus 9. So from this f of a is equal to f of b. So clearly option number 3. So given f of x is equal to 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3, then you want to find this value. So given f of x is equal to 9 power x plus 9 power x plus 3. So here I am replacing x is 1 minus x. Now what is f of 1 minus x? 9 power 1 minus x. So divide by 9 power 1 minus x plus 3. Now this is f of 1 minus x is equals to 9 power 1 by 9 power x. So both LCMs get cancelled, and this is 9 plus 3 into 9 power x. Now to write this one, f of 1 minus x is equal to, so this can be written as, so here 3 is common in denominator, that is 3 by 3 plus 9 power x. This is f of 1 minus x value. Okay. Now we add these two. So that is f of x plus f of 1 minus x value. So what is f of x value? 9 power x by 9 power x plus 3 plus 3 by 3 plus 9 power x. 3 by 3 plus 9 power x. So clearly this is 3 plus 9 power x by 3 plus 9 power x. So what you get? 1. Therefore f of x plus f of 1 minus x value is 1. So using this condition, you can find this value. Here f of 1995 by 1996. So this is equals to f of 1 minus 1 by 1996. Okay. So see the first value, f of 1 by 1996, and last value is plus f of 1 minus 1 by 1996. So clear it is. So what is that value? 1 only, no? So this is equals to 1. So similarly, second value before of this value, that is f of 2 by 1996 plus f of 1 minus 2 by 1996. This value also 1. So similarly, f of 3 by 1996 plus f of 1 minus 3 by 1996. So this value also 1. And so on. So out of this, one value is left. So that value is f of 1 minus 998. So by 1996. Okay. Now what is this value? F of 1 minus 1 by 2, that is f of 1 by 2. So what is f of 1 by 2 value? Substitute here in place of x 1 by 2. 9 power 1 by 2 is 3. 9 power 1 by 2 is 3. So 3 by 3 plus 3. So clearly that is 0.5. Okay. So total values are 1995. So out of this one value is left, that value is 0.5. So remaining all values come together, then you get, so total values are, so divide by 2. So because of sum of 2 is 1. So one value is left, that value is 0.5. So remaining values are 1994. So this is 997. So plus this value, therefore given value is 997.5.